All right. So I'm gonna catch you guys up to speed because I have not made a video on this at all, and I've been slacking on uploading videos. I'm like getting too lazy. I don't even want to like edit videos. So I have recordings, but I've gotten so lazy that I haven't edited them, and so I haven't posted them. But anyways, whatever. So um, I rent out a utility trailer, and for fairly cheap. I rent it out for 25 bucks a day, and it's a little one axle, 6 foot wide by 10 foot long. So I rent it out 25 bucks a day. That's pretty good for around my area. It's definitely better than like U-Haul and whatever else. So anyways, been renting it out for the last couple of weeks or whatever, and rented it out to this guy, a repeat customer, and he it finally came back. Oh man, I wasn't in wide. It finally came back damaged, but super decent dude. He told me that it got damaged. He gave me money towards it, towards the damages, all that stuff, whatever. I don't mind not having full price of the damages given to me because he's a repeat customer, and he said that he was planning on renting from me in the future anyway. So as long as it doesn't turn into repeat damages, then I'm okay. But yeah, so these are just some of the things about renting out equipment, obviously, is that you are going to get damages at some point, and this is a good learning experience for me. So basically what had gotten damaged is one of the taillights, which is super cheap. It's like 20 bucks maybe. And then one of my tires got punctured. Yeah, it sucks, but at the same time, the tires could have been changed out as well. So that's exactly what I'm doing today, is I'm going to have both of the tires changed out, get some new tread on there, as well as I'm going to buy a replacement light. It is raining, so at some point today I most likely will put the trailer inside the carport and change out that tail light underneath. But yeah, so I will take you. So I already took off one tire. I believe this is the tire that got a slash. Put a block underneath, and I am taking care of this one right now. Yeah, this is the taillight that got all smashed up. If you guys aren't familiar, the northeast side of America has been getting hit with rain for the last couple of weeks, and it's getting pretty bad. Like, there's floods all around on multiple different states. Like, I just heard an emergency thing on the radio for flash flooding and stuff. It's getting pretty crazy. But anyways, I'm going to take this tire off. Yeah, so as you guys can see, these are the tires, and the inside, this is the inside. It was losing all of its tread, and this tire is actually not as bad as that one, but you can see where it got slashed, it got punctured, and the guy stopped the leaking with the flat tire kit or whatever. But it's good to change out the tread, might as well get some fresh tires on there and be set for, I don't know, a couple years or something like that. So that's what I'm gonna go do. All right. So I just got back. I just got replacement tires. Went to a local tire place, and they gave me a killer deal. I got these tires for, I think, like 70 bucks a piece, and they were supposed to be like $25 for changing off the old tires and putting on the new tires, but they didn't charge me at all. So 2 tires, replacements for like 140 bucks. Like, pretty good deal for brand new tires, which I'm stoked for, because these tires should last at least a couple years. At least a couple years with my trailer. So yeah, let's get these mounted on. Alright, that one's done. Alright, so I changed out of my pants because I didn't want to get them dirty, plus it's way too hot. So I just changed out the tires. Tires look great. I definitely gotta go and wash off the truck and trailer. But yeah, anyways, changed the tires out. Now I gotta replace this tail light. And yes, to answer the question, I think I just stated this, but the person who damaged this did give me some money towards the damages that were done. I'm gonna go get a nut for that, or a socket. Alright, so old one's off. Now I've got to, I don't know if you can see this, but I've got to strip the rubber housing around the wire and then attach the new one on. Pretty simple. It's funny because the last time I did this was when I cut myself. So I'm like being gentle. Yeah, no, dude. Hurting myself right now. All right. All right. That whole time I wasn't recording. Son of a gun. Well, anyways, I did the wiring. It's not the best, but I got it on. New light. Now I'll just test it and make sure that it's all good. Bingo. All fixed. So, brand new tires. Like, those things look nice. And fix the taillight. I'm gonna bring the trailer to get a wash, and then it's back in service. But yeah, that's just a quick little video of me basically fixing damages on my rental trailer. All right.